Hey, here's a nice little piece. We got a 302 Ford engine here. Not a stroker, base 302, going into a Bronco. This is rated at about 350 horsepower. We got a nice straight torque curve and horsepower. About 360 horse, about 360 something foot-pounds of torque. Again, here at Performance Unlimited, everything is custom built to order. This gentleman happened to need a rear sump pan for his Bronco, we put it on. You have a color in mind, other than our basic colors, give us a call, we can do that too. We can also hook you up with a more certain kit. We can use different style valve covers, air cleaners, what have you. Here at Performance Unlimited, it's like McDonald's, you have it your way. Give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. We got your engine. Enjoy the video, thank you. About what, 380 on that one?
Beautiful.
Huh? What'd we get?
389 horsepower.
389 horse.
389 foot-pounds of torque.
I'll tell you what, third pass, they always come in a lot better. Isn't that great? Again, 350 horsepower engine, 380 foot-pounds of torque, 380 something horsepower. Again, there's no other place but Performance Unlimited. Looking for a great engine? 1-800-267-3940. That's it. We are #1.